Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. The Nokia 7.2 is nearing the end of its life cycle and we have the first look at the smartphone which will be replacement for the outgoing model. We have the first renders of the smartphone and also the full specifications. So let's start with the physical design of the smartphone. Just like every phone in 2020, we have a hole punch camera on the top left corner. The bezels are small. However, you can find smaller bezels in smartphones at the same price range, but I think it's good enough. Then we have the Nokia logo at the bottom, buttons on the right hand side. On the back we find quad cameras in this circle, but only two of them are going to be useful. More on that in just a minute. Then we have the Zeiss logo because why not flex on who we are paying our millions? Flashlight on the side, fingerprint scanner just above the Nokia logo. At the bottom we find the USB Type-C charging slot, speaker grill, and on the top we have the headphone jack, and I'm really glad to see that Nokia is keeping it alive. Now let's talk specifications. So the processor of the Nokia 7.3 is going to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 5G. The Nokia 7.3 could be the very first smartphone with this processor. OnePlus is also supposed to use the 690 chip in the Node's USA version. The 690 is just about the same performance tier as the 765G, so it's not a bad processor. Then we have 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage. As for the cameras, we have quad cameras, 48 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Like I said, technically these are quad cameras, but realistically it's a dual camera setup. These bottom ones are just garbage. Then we have a selfie camera of 24 megapixel. The smartphone comes with a 6.5 inches of display with Full HD resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. For battery, we have a 4000 mAh cell which can be fast charged with an 18-watt included adapter. And then we also get Android 10 out of the box. So guys, there you have it, full specifications with the first look of the Nokia 7.3. We don't have an official release date yet, but it is expected to arrive sometime in late October. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Nokia 7.3. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and guys, thanks for watching.